Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Stash for investing in stocks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Stash app from your device's app store. Install the app and open it. Create an account using your email address and a secure password. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the identity verification process. Once verified, you will be guided through a brief questionnaire. This questionnaire will help Stash understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. After finishing the questionnaire, you will have access to your account dashboard. Take some time to explore the interface and features available to you. To start investing, click on the Invest tab located at the bottom of the screen. You can choose between individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or pre-built investment collections. If you want to invest in individual stocks, browse the stock options available in the app. Tap on a stock to view its details, including price history and market data. Once you find a stock you want to invest in, select the Buy option. Input the amount you wish to invest, keeping in mind Stash's minimum investment requirements. Review the details and confirm your order to complete the transaction. After your purchase, you can monitor your investments through the app's portfolio section. You can also set up automated recurring investments for consistent saving. Explore Stash's educational resources to learn more about investing strategies and market trends. Consider using Stash's budgeting tools to manage your finances effectively. Stay informed about your investments by tracking their performance regularly. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal goals. Remember to practice patience as investing in the stock market takes time to yield returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.